Hello everyone, this is Simon Walter here, and today we're going to be doing a toy review in quite a while apparently. I'm surprised. I don't know why, but still. Today's review is apparently Hyper Gyaos from Gamma 3, Revenge of Iris. Yeah. Well, whatever. Okay, let's get on to detail, shall we? Okay, right here, see Hyper Gyaos' eyes, or at least his one eye for now. There's his other eye, and there's the top of his head. It's all bumpy, and God, he's hit. What the heck? What is that thing? Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, but apparently the detail on this guy is nice. Like, I never seen Gamma 3, but this is pretty much what I think a Gyaos actually would look like. I mean, its color and its look. Like, it's supposed to be like some type of vampire bat pterodactyl thing. Not sure. Get that in there. Okay, so as I was saying, now the articulation points, all he has is just legs. Really, guys? Bandai, I know you're great and all, but you should really have more like articulation points other than the legs. Shouldn't you have like the wings too, and the head, and the tail, and the waist too? Shouldn't you have all that stuff? Gosh. Okay, let's get on to the size. Okay, let's compare him with, well, his main opponent, or at least his enemy, main enemy, Gamera. Well, apparently I don't have the Gamma 3. I have I don't have Gamma 3's Gamera, but this is the only Gamera I've got so far, which is a Showa Gamera, and yeah, I don't think it's that bad. It's okay, I guess. Okay. Next is another kaiju from Gamera that apparently chopped him up to bits in Gamera vs. Giran, which is Giran. Well, I'm not really sure. I think Gyaos is like bigger. Like this size, I think. Right there? Yeah. But I don't think it's that bad at all, because not all Gyoses are the same size, I think. I guess who cares. Okay, now let's compare him with some Godzilla kaiju. First I have the 2014 NECA Godzilla. Size here is kind of off, apparently, because Zilla's like, I think it's like he's this big, his head is off the camera. Pick up Gyaos, and voila, boom. Yes, but I guess this is alright. Okay. Let's see here. How about we compare him with another NECA figure I have, Godzilla, and it's the NECA's Godzilla 1994. Okay, so again, like Godzilla 2014, yeah, whatever, you get it. Okay, we'll give him a couple more, which we'll compare him with Rodan from Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla 2, which, I mean, it's Fire Rodan. They actually kind of look similar to each other, don't you guys think? Look at him. Huh. Well, I'm not really sure about the sizing here, but I guess it's alright. wherever it is. Okay, where are you? Where are you? Get up. Ouch. Okay, let's see. Probably. I guess probably Mecha King Ghidorah from Godzilla vs. King Ghidorah. Well, again, like, about sizing. He should be, like, up to... Actually, he should be up to, like, here or something. No, he's really huge. Wow. Okay, well, that is it for now. Until next time, this is Simon Walter signing off. God dang it, Gyaos.